Ring Outdoor Cam Plus Battery Review. Real night vision results that ended my door anxiety.
You know that tight feeling in your chest every time you're out and suddenly wonder, did I lock the door? Or is someone in the driveway right now? Sunday nights are the worst. You're trying to relax and your brain just loops on every little noise outside. Missed packages, weird shadows, that one time the neighbor's kid cut through the yard at 2 a.m. It all piles up. You're not crazy, you're just tired of feeling exposed. The quiet stress is real, and it's stealing your peace every single day. Type ME if this is your life right now. It's not just the big scares. It's the slow drip of wasted time checking windows, scrolling through grainy black and white clips that tell you nothing, jumping at every notification that turns out to be a cat again. Weekends get shorter because half your brain is still at home. Date nights are ruined when you're secretly watching the driveway feed instead of the movie. You start avoiding leaving the house after dark because what if creeps in. The mounting pressure is real, and the worst part, you know something's out there watching your place better than you are. It's exhausting carrying that weight alone. Drop a fire if you're tired of this nonsense stealing your freedom.
Then everything changed the night I set up the Ring Outdoor Cam Plus battery. Don't just pick any wireless camera. Make sure it has true low-light sight, full-color night vision so you never suffer that useless black and white blurry nonsense again. One charge, one screw, one app, and suddenly you can actually see what's happening in real color, even at 10 p.m. with just the street light. It's like someone turned the porch light on for you 24/7 without the electric bill. Tell me, does finally seeing clearly at night sound like peace to you?
Now when your phone buzzes, you open it and actually recognize the person. No more squinting at ghosts. Packages sit safe because you see them get dropped and can yell thanks through the speaker before the driver even walks away. The wide-angle 2K ring vision catches the whole driveway without that stupid fisheye curve. And the color night vision is so good, my neighbor asked if I installed floodlights. One influencer I follow said he caught a porch pirate in full color at 11 p.m. Police had the guy in 20 minutes. My friend Sarah told me last week she finally slept through the night for the first time in years because she could check the yard in color without getting out of bed. You go from paranoid to in control, calm, almost cocky about it. Quick, which would make your life easiest today? Comment 1 for color at night, 2 for never missing a package, 3 for real peace of mind. Comment your number below.
Imagine coming home tomorrow night, kicking off your shoes, and actually knowing everything's fine because you just saw it in color 5 seconds ago. Thousands of us are already living this every single day. Takes 10 seconds to check it out and see if it's for you. I've put my link in the description and pinned comment. Full affiliate disclosure right there. Just click and see for yourself. No pressure, no weird upsells. If the Ring Outdoor Cam Plus battery feels like your answer, awesome. If not, no big deal. Either way, see you on the other side.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.